Openings have been analyzed in depth for centuries for the moves that lead to advantage early on. The first and probably most popular opening is the Ruy Lopez, named after a Spanish priest who analyzed this opening in 1561. White attempts to take control of the center. Black counters. It's always a good idea to prioritize knight development ahead of bishops. Here, the white knight also threatens the e5 pawn and clears the area for castling. Again, black responds in kind, protecting the e5 pawn. This is the classic Ruy Lopez. It's annoying for black because it pins either the knight or the d-pawn. This is the most straightforward response, forcing the white bishop to leave. The bishop retreats. An exchange with the knight is not advisable because it would open the way for the black queen to take over the center. Black also prepares for castle and attacks the e4 pawn. An alternative would be driving the white bishop further away with b5. The options multiply from here, depending on experience and predisposition. White may try to protect the e4 pawn with the d-pawn, or with the knight. However, most often, white just castles.